Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter f2.8 lens. This is a Sony E-mount lens. So here it does come with a dust cover for the front. And then here this screws on and off for the back. It does have a sunshade. Attaches really easy. We can rotate it in and out. It is a zoom lens, 18 to 50 millimeter. Again, for APS-C type cameras. Okay, so with the sunshade on, it's around 4 inches. Thickness wise, you're looking at about 2 1/4. With the sunshades, about 3 inches. So it does have internal threads there if you want to put a filter on. Okay, so it does have a focus ring, but you can set your camera to autofocus, and this will autofocus, but there is a focus ring if you want to go to manual focusing. And again, here's the zoom. With it all the way zoomed out, you're looking at about 4 inches. And again, with it zoomed in, you're looking at about 3 inches. Here's what it says on the side. Now it does say the filter size is 55 millimeter. Okay, so to put the sunshade on, you're going to start here. There's a line right here. There's an in and out. You're going to turn it, and it kind of clicks. Now you can also store it, and it snaps into place. And then you can use, you still have to use this ring. So that is kind of in the way when you want to zoom it. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.